The browse window in BibleWorks is the primary means to read and view the biblical text. There are two ways of viewing the text in the browse window. The default display is the multiple version mode, where a single verse is displayed in many versions. You can also toggle your display to a single version browse mode to read the text in its larger context. To add or subtract display versions, from the main menu in BibleWorks, choose View, and then choose Display Versions. In the upper portion of the window, choose Display Versions, you'll find that your current display versions appear. These can be checked or unchecked, with the boxes next to each version. Or you can add new ones by going to a particular language category and checking a box to display that version. Then click OK. To switch between multiple version mode and single version browse mode, use the Toggle Browse Mode button, clicking it once with your mouse to toggle between multiple version and single version browse mode. You also have the option of changing your version display order. Click on the Browse Window Options button and choose the Set Version Display Order. In the BW Options window, you can show the active only, click on a particular version, and move it up or down in your display. There are also several preset version display orders available under Open within the BW Options window for version order. It's easy to search from the browse window. You can double-click on a word to instantly search for that word. Notice that when you double-click on a word and conduct the search, your search version, displayed in the browse window header, in the command line versions button, and on the status bar, changes to the particular version where you double-clicked to conduct your search. There are also a number of right-click menu searching options. For example, you can right-click on a Greek or Hebrew word and choose to search on lemma to find any instance of that word, no matter what form it takes in the text. You can copy and paste from the browse window by highlighting text and using Control-C to copy and then Control-V to paste your text, or highlight the text and use a right-click menu option to copy the selected text to a particular location. We've chosen to copy to the existing editor, and we now have the verses displaying there. Right-clicking in the browse window also gives you access to many different options, like looking up text in the default Bible dictionary, looking up a place name in the BibleWorks maps, and other options for looking up a word in a lexicon. For New Testament Greek text, you can also right-click on a word and choose to open a New Testament diagram at that word.